Hello, this is Stacy, and welcome to this meditation, a visualization of a beach for a well-being. So find yourself a comfortable seat or reclined position, whatever works best for you, and use whatever props you need to make yourself comfortable once you have found your comfortable position. Then gently allow your eyes to close or your gaze to soften down and out a few feet in front of you. Take a moment to focus on your breath. Try not to change your breath, just become aware of it. Become aware of yourself, aware of your posture, aware of anywhere that your body is in contact with the earth. Aware of your presence on your mat. Start to deepen your breath and take a few nice deep breaths. Long inhales and long exhales. Begin to notice your senses without letting what you notice to disturb you. Now begin to imagine a beach. Step into the sand. It's warm and soft under your feet. Just feel the sensations in your feet on the sand. Now look up and all you see is more sand in front of you, but you can hear the ocean. Walk toward the sound of the ocean. As you're walking, you can feel the sun on your skin. Perhaps you can feel a light breeze as well. You notice the smell of the salty air. And as you are looking around, you see the ocean peek over the sand dune. You're walking toward the ocean now, and you notice the sand under your feet gets firmer because it's saturated with seawater. And as you get to the shore where the ocean meets the sand, you see little waves coming up and down and up and down. And as the waves come and go, you see some things in the sand, like shells, pieces of seaweed, your footprints. And you see a little piece of driftwood that's just the perfect size for writing in the sand. Imagine you picking up this driftwood and now draw your name into the sand where it is moist. Write out each letter, noticing the sound that it makes as you scratch it through the sand. Good. Now step back and look at your name. As you see the beautiful name that has carried you through your whole life, you notice a little wave coming closer. This wave catches part of your name and it washes it away and goes back into the ocean. And then another wave comes and washes your name away even more. And another comes and washes it away. And another, until all you can see is ripples in the sand where your name used to be. That's good. Now continue walking along your beach, noticing the surroundings. What kind of sounds do you hear? Can you hear seabirds flying over? Or the wind gently blowing? Can you feel the warm sun on your skin? How does the sand feel under your feet again? It's nice, right? Maybe you can even smell the smells of the ocean. Just be at your beach today. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Notice the sounds around you and how the air feels on your skin. Begin to bring a little bit of gentle movement back to your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, blink open your eyes and notice what you see all around you. Thank you for sharing your time with me